This video comes up with 6 effective methods to get permanently deleted files back from the drive. Without further ado, we'll delve into each way's intricacies to help you get there. Way 1. How to recover permanently deleted files from Google Drive trash. Open your Google Drive on your computer. Navigate to the Trash option in the side menu. Select the file or files you want to recover. Right-click your selection and choose Restore. Files will return to original location. Way 2. How to restore permanently deleted files from Google Drive backup. Tap the plus icon. Select Upload and choose Files. Tap My Drive to view saved files. Right-click the file. Choose Download. Way 3. How to restore data from Google Drive by Google Takeout. Sign into Google. Go to Data and Privacy. Tap Download or delete your data. Then, download your data. Choose Applications for download and click Next. Select Transfer Method. Provide details. Click Create Transport to start. Way 4. How to recover permanently deleted file from Google Drive via Google Vault. Sign into Google Vault. Select the folder under Matters. Click Search. Choose Drive. Use user search for emails. Specify sent date. Click Search. Then export results to download as zip. Way 5. How to recover deleted data from Google account by Google Admin Console. Log into Google Admin Console. Go to Users directory. Select Restore for all or selected units. Find User S. Click More. Choose Restore Data. Specify date range. Select Drive. Click Restore to proceed. Way 6. How to recover permanently deleted Google Docs via Google Drive support. Visit HTTPS Supper to Google.com, Drive answer 1716222. Hull equals N and ref topic equals 14951 and auth user equals 1 and click Contact Us. Follow the on-screen instructions to reach customer support. Extra tip: how to recover permanently deleted files from Android without Google Drive. If you're facing concerns over Google's limited free space, or the potential loss of crucial content, or if you're struggling to locate specific data, here's a solution worth exploring. Lookin Doctor for Android. Download, install program, connect phone to computer, follow on-screen instructions, select data types, start scanning, root phone if needed, choose files, click Recover.